Trading gold is something else. Here we can see that price is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. So now we want to see where price is reacting from. Price is reacting from a demand zone on the weekly time frame. Now we can see that the weekly time frame has shown bullish momentum. So from the weekly we want to go to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame what we want to see is we want to see an higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Right here we can see the higher high. We see this last low made this high, then we see this low, then we see this higher high. So what we want to be doing is we want to be marking out our order block. At this level we are seeing our order block has been mitigated. So when the order block is being mitigated, we want to go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, so we want to go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we want to see confirmation that buyers are in control of the market. So when we got this, we saw this high. So we saw this last high before the low. So we want to see price breaking this low, breaking this high, or breaking this last high that made the last low. So if market could break this low, this high then we can confirm the bullish momentum. Right here we can see that price broke the high, and then we have an order block right here on the 1 hour time frame. So we want to go to the 5-minute time frame once we get touch on that zone. So right here we want to go to the 5-minute time frame and look for confirmation. So we are going to the 5 minutes, and on the 5-minute time frame so we are here on the 5-minute time frame. Immediately price touched into the 1 hour order block right here. So we touch into this level. So the drill has zone right here. We saw a touch, and we got a break of structure, then a pullback. We see an inducement over right here. So we want to be putting our entry at this point. So entry right here, just stop loss just below the order block. You can see this level as the last zone. So we want to be putting our stop loss just below it, and then we want to be targeting the next daily high. So we want to be targeting the swing high, which is this level right here. And as you can see, we just lock in 11 RR on gold. That is just it. Keeping it simple is the best way to approach the market, not making it the hard way. As you can see, 11 RR just locking. That is pretty good.